Most kitchen knives are forgotten tools, used, dulled, replaced. But some knives earned trust for generations, and many of those came from Germany. German kitchen knives were never meant to be fancy showpieces. They were built for butchers, bakers, and home cooks who needed tools that could survive hard daily work without failing. Over time, that practicality turned these knives into some of the most respected kitchen tools in the world. Today, when someone picks up a German knife, they are holding more than steel. They are holding centuries of craftsmanship, trial and error, and the quiet pursuit of making a simple tool work exceptionally well. And that is exactly what we are exploring today, right here, on History of Simple Things. German kitchen knives are cutting tools made primarily for food preparation, designed with a focus on durability, strength, and ease of use. Unlike some knives that are made to be extremely thin and delicate, German knives are often thicker and heavier. This makes them sturdy and forgiving, especially for people who use them every day. A typical German knife has a curved blade. This curve allows a rocking motion when cutting, which is helpful for chopping vegetables or herbs quickly and safely. The handle is usually designed to fit comfortably in the hand, giving the user control and stability. Another important feature is the type of steel used. German knives are often made from softer steel compared to some other styles. While this means they may not stay razor-sharp for as long, they are less likely to chip or break. They are also easier to sharpen at home, which makes them practical for everyday cooking. In simple terms, German kitchen knives are built to be reliable workhorses. They are not fragile tools that require careful handling. They are meant to be used, cleaned, and used again without worry. The history of German kitchen knives begins in a city called Solingen, often referred to as the City of Blades. For hundreds of years, this place has been known for producing high-quality knives, swords, and cutting tools. The region had everything needed for this craft, including clean water, skilled workers, and access to raw materials. As early as the Middle Ages, blacksmiths in Solingen were already shaping metal into useful tools. Over time, these craftsmen began to specialize. Some focused on making blades, while others worked on handles or sharpening. This division of labor allowed for better quality and more consistent results. By the 18th and 19th centuries, German knife-making had become more organized. Families passed down their skills from one generation to the next. Workshops grew into companies, and these companies began exporting their knives to other countries. One key reason for their success was their focus on practicality. German knives were not designed to be decorative. They were designed to solve real problems in the kitchen and the butcher shop. This focus on function helped them earn the trust of professionals. As industrial methods improved, German manufacturers combined traditional craftsmanship with modern machinery. This balance allowed them to produce knives in larger numbers while maintaining quality. It was a careful evolution, not a sudden change. One important example of German knife design is the chef's knife. This is perhaps the most common kitchen knife today. It is versatile, meaning it can be used for many different tasks from slicing meat to chopping vegetables. The German version of the chef's knife is known for its weight and curved edge. This makes it ideal for the rocking motion that many cooks use. For someone preparing meals daily, this design reduces effort and increases control. Another example is the bread knife. German bread knives often have long, serrated blades. These teeth allow the knife to cut through hard crusts without crushing the soft bread inside. This may seem like a small detail, but it shows how carefully these tools are designed for specific tasks. There is also the butcher's knife, which reflects the origins of many German blades. These knives are built to handle tough cuts of meat, including bones and thick tissue. Their strength and durability come directly from the needs of butchers who relied on them for long hours of work. A key moment in the global spread of German knives came in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. As trade expanded, German knives were exported to Europe, America, and beyond. Professional chefs began using them, and soon home cooks followed. Another important development was the introduction of stainless steel in the early 20th century. Before this, knives could rust easily if not cared for properly. Stainless steel made knives more resistant to corrosion, which made them easier to maintain. German manufacturers quickly adopted this material, improving the practicality of their products. Even today, many German knives are made using a method called forging. This involves heating a piece of steel and shaping it under pressure. Forged knives are often stronger and more balanced than stamped knives, which are cut from flat sheets of metal. This process reflects the continued influence of traditional methods. The story of German kitchen knives is not about dramatic invention, but steady improvement over time. From the blacksmiths of Solingen to modern makers, the goal has remained the same: to create strong, reliable tools built for everyday use. Their heavier build, curved blades, and durable steel reflect that purpose. Even today, German kitchen knives are trusted not for being flashy, but for being dependable. A simple tool shaped by generations of careful craftsmanship. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.